From a forgotten relic lost in the shadows to a masterpiece reborn. Witness the ultimate transformation of this classic luxury icon. The process begins, every panel restored, every engine component perfected. Precision engineering meets artistic revival in this high-tech workshop. Next, the soul of the machine returns. Layer after layer of deep metallic black paint creates a mirror-like finish that defines true luxury. Chrome trim begins to shine, and new alloy wheels install themselves. Watch as the LED headlights dramatically illuminate for the first time. No detail is overlooked, from the hand-stitched luxury leather interior to the crystal-clear glass. Excellence is woven into every single fiber. Behold the result, a stunning silhouette that commands attention, bathed in the glow of a futuristic showroom. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A journey from dust to brilliance, the past versus the future. So, we have to ask you, which one would you choose? Experience the pinnacle of automotive restoration. Follow us for more incredible transformations and the finest luxury builds in the world today.